Hey everybody, Stan Dale, President of Florida Suncoast. Hope you're doing well. Hey, Hurricane Helena sort of messed up our coming up weekend. So the 28th, we have three events. The first one, let me talk about up in the Panhandle, at the turn of the Panhandle. It's the drive to Bruce Cafe in Ponce de Leon. That has been canceled. We'll reschedule that. That's Chris and Margaret's drive for this weekend. So that's been canceled because of the storm. Secondly, the car show in Gainesville, Ocala at Tioga Town Center. We're not sure what the status is, so on our website we've put the link to that car show. If you're planning to attend or you're entering that car show, we'd recommend you check the link so you can go straight to their link and figure out if that program's on place. That's Mary Beth's car show set up with Tioga Town Center. Now we probably could tell you that next weekend the Tioga Cars and Coffee is still on, but we're not sure what the car show is for this weekend, the 28th. The other one is the Street Survival in Miami with the Everglades chapter. We know that we have two of our members, Mario Villar and Rich Rouser, are going to be instructors for that, and that Street Survival is still on. So those were a couple of things that were on for this weekend. Just wanted to let folks know real quick. Obviously, we had to do some videoing inside. Thanks to my videographer, Kim, for such a wonderful job tonight. And for those folks that are on the Mountain Drive and the Performance Center Drive coming up we're leaving on the 8th, 9th, and 10th. There are three different groups leaving. There's a survey in your email box. If you have not completed that, please get that back to me. I need it by Monday so we can finalize the routing and pickups and those kind of things. So a lot of things happening. This sets us back in one or two of our events, but we'll make those up before the end of the year. So what we'd like to say now is our hopes and prayers are out to our members and anybody else that's in the path of this hurricane. What a devastating event that nature delivers to us sometimes. But our hopes and prayers that everybody survives this well and the storm just passes us by, passes us right over. So until then, our prayers are with you. And as always, we say happy motoring, but this time with prayers. Thanks, y'all. See ya.